Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the camera not working in Windows 11. If your camera is not working on Windows 11, it is usually due to privacy settings or outdated drivers. You can fix the problem easily by adjusting permissions and updating the camera driver. Here is how to do it. Start by going to the Start menu. After that, reach the Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security on the left panel. If apps are not showing your camera, look under App Permissions. Following that, click on Camera. You will see Camera, Feedback Hub, WhatsApp, and Xbox. Make sure that all these options are enabled. You can also enable the Let Desktop App Access the Camera option. If these are enabled, you can disable them and enable them again. Another way is to open the Start menu. Now, type Device Manager into the search bar. Then, select Device Manager from the list of results to open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. On the left panel, click on Camera. Right-click on Integrated Webcam and choose Update Driver. Make sure the latest driver version is installed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.